In this video, you are going to see how to insert the address symbol in Microsoft Word document, as you can see here. Let's get started. To insert the address symbol, go to Insert, go to Icons. Now search here by writing Home. Then here you will see various symbols. Check it and click on Insert. Then the symbol will be inserted. Click on over here, go to wrap text, click on in front of text. Now you can move it freely. Go to graphics field, you can change the fill color. Let us go to insert, go to icon and write here location. And here you will see the various location symbol. Click on insert. Then it will be inserted. Go to wrap text, click on in front of text. You can move it or you can change the fill color from here very easily. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.